Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create reveal text as you walk video editing using a VN video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN video editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and select new project and choose video based. Okay, and then we can select a video we want to edit. I'm going to select this video. I'm going to use this video to create reveal text as you walk video editing. Okay, and I'm going to add text to this project. I'm going to click on text and then select text, and I'm just going to add heading. I'm going to type in text reveal. All right, and then I'm going to make it align with my video. So I'm going to drag the text like this, and I'm going to place it right here. Okay, and then I'm going to apply mask. We can select the text and then go to the mask option and select the linear mask, and you can rotate the mask like this. All right, and we're going to reveal the text as this girl walks. Okay, to do that we can use keyframe. You can add keyframe like this guys, and you can adjust it one by one. Okay, add keyframe and then adjust it like this. Okay, you can do it one by one like this guys to reveal the text. All right, it's almost done. Okay, now it's done guys. All right, and then I'm going to show you the result. So this is the result guys. Oh, it's perfect. Look at this. All right, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create reveal text as we walk video editing on a VN. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.